Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be in Bushnell, Florida, which is down in Sumter County. And we're going to be looking at a really cool property. It's a farmhouse and it's on over 8 acres of land. Very cool. Let's just go ahead and check that out right now. All right, we are out in Bushnell, Florida. And today we're looking at a beautiful custom built home, and it is on 8.28 acres. It's also got a barn. I'll give you a look around here. Beautiful property, 8.28 acres. So what we have here is a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom, 3,420 square feet of living space home, built in 2021. There's no HOA here, there's no CDD. This home's currently being offered for $850,000. There's also a separate in-law suite. Let's take a look. Here's a nice covered front porch where you can sit and enjoy your gigantic property. And we'll head inside and take a look. All right, here we are. You walk in, and there are the stairs, and then that way is the living room. The floors are like a finished concrete. It looks really nice. And then under here, they have like a dog bed situation. They have a couple dogs. I think we should start up here, so let's do that. Beautiful stairs. And then for the rest of the tour, we will be downstairs. So you get up here, and it's a loft. Good size. And then to the left, we'll call this bedroom number 1. Also a good size, custom built home. Out there you can see the barn. Over here, we will call this bedroom number 2. I'm not gonna go into the closets because people live here. This is a storage space, and that's where your air handler is. It's made by Grand Air. This is a linen closet, and this is a full bath. We'll call it full bath number 1. It's like luxury vinyl plank in here. It has a private water closet. It's got granite, double vanity, and a shower tub combo, and a nice window looking out to the front of the property. So that's pretty much the upstairs. So that is 2 bedrooms up here. Okay, here we are at the foyer again. This is going to be bedroom number 3. Moving right along. This is a coat closet. This is a full bath. Granite, walk-in shower, and a toilet. Here is your living space. And really beautiful kitchen right there. Love it. So heading on over to the kitchen here, this is a gigantic granite island. Here's some more granite over here, nice big farm sink. And we have the black stainless steel Samsung appliances, very nice. I do like that. There's the range. It's got a hood on it. There's your microwave. And that beautiful Samsung fridge. Right over here is a very good sized pantry. Take a look in here. Are we soft shutting? I bet we are. Yes, soft shutting. This right off of the kitchen is the master bedroom. Also a good size. They have a desk going on. Over here is the master bath. Beautiful soaker tub. Love it. It's got that same granite and the double vanity. Nice mirror up there. And then it comes around to this nice walk-in shower. Looking good. It's got 2 shower heads. Nice tall ceilings in here. Love that tub. Love that privacy window as well. Oh, also walk-in closet here. Good size with built-in shelving. Nice. Fireplace. Let's another look at that kitchen. There's a little kitty cat. Love this dining space as well. Very nice. Now, there is much more to be seen. Over there is the laundry room. They have a couple dogs in there. So right here, I'm gonna put a couple pictures of the laundry room so you see what that looks like. I don't wanna disturb their dogs. Okay, now I'm gonna go out here, make sure I don't let that cat out. And here is the backyard. Nice little sitting area. And they have an in-ground pool, here it is. And a basketball hoop. Nice little Zen garden area. And an outdoor kitchen over here. Very nice. And it's a huge property, over 8 acres. There's a little tree house they got going on. Those are chicken coops. And then there's the big barn. We'll go over there in a moment as well. First, let's check out this in-law suite, which is a separate structure, as you can see. There's the big house, separate structure here. Let's take a look at what's going on in here. It has its own full kitchen and living room area. Very cool. We got nice appliances in here too. Samsung, this is granite. Beautiful gray cabinets. Super nice. Got the stainless steel farm sink. Then over here is the full bath. So this looks like hardwood floor. And then this is wood look tile in here. This looks like quartz. And we got wood look tile in the walk-in shower. Super nice. And then this is the bedroom. So very cool to have a separate structure, living space. If you have a family member living with you that needs their own space, that's great. Let's head on over to the barn and check that out. So this is a big barn. Give me a look in here. So up there is storage, and in here is an office. Workbenches, a fan, some cabinetry. They got a TV out here. Huge barn, very cool. Couple refrigerators. And then to get up there, you're gonna need that ladder, and then you can store stuff up there as well. Here's some more stuff to check out over here. And here is the chicken coop. I'm not sure if they have chickens in them right now, but yes, they do. That's pretty cool. I think that's going to be your well system right there. Yep, there's those chickens. Very nice. And here's a look at that cool tree house as well. Beautiful tree, by the way. There's a look at the property. Beautiful custom farm home on over 8 acres. And that'll about do it for this one. Hey, thanks so much for sticking around for the most important part of the video. If you are considering buying a home, selling a home, investing in or relocating to this beautiful region of West Central Florida, please don't hesitate to give me a call, text me, email me, days, nights, weekends. It doesn't matter, I'll be here to help you accomplish your goals, and you can find my contact information right here.